Hello everyone to this new video about how to make hyperlinks in PlayCanvas. The last video I made, which is this video, how to make hyperlinks in PlayCanvas engine. I made it using a lot of code, uh, I don't know how to describe the sound. It was like something bad. So let's adjust the video and let's make a proper one. So let's start. First, we need to create a new project. Let's create a blank project like this. Let's call it hyperlinks like this. No description. Let's create it. After that, let's go to the editor. Okay, so this is our root file, our root. So let's do something like deleting the plane in the box like this. Let's add an entity, let's add a user interface 2D screen. Let's call it UI like this, and the UI, let's give it an entity which will be our group for the hyperlinks. Let's give it the name of hyperlinks like that. So here let's add the button in the entity. Let's add the button like this. Alright, so the texture here, let's add texture which is let's upload the Discord logo. Where is it? Discord set, no. So 1 minute, let's download a logo. Discord PNG. Let's download this one. Discord. Let's add Twitter. Twitter. Let's add XPNG. What is? Okay, so let's say Twitter here. Okay, so this. Let's download this one. Save it like this. Twitter. Um, 1 minute. Can I open it? Okay. So uh, let's uh, let's upload let's upload both of them, Twitter and Discord, like this. So this button will be the Discord button. Let's give it the name of Discord like this. Here in the texture, let's add the Discord logo like, oh, it's bad. I need it without the background. Anyways, let's keep it like this. Let's give it 50-50 like this. Let's move it no, like this. Okay, like this. It's just for test. Let's add another button like this, which will be Twitter button like this. Let's give it the texture of Twitter. Okay, so let's adjust the size. Let's give it 50-50 as Discord, uh, like this. Let's make it in the same line as Discord, so like this. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so like this. For now, this is basic thing we did. Now let's move to the coding part, which is the fun let's give a script called hyperlinks. Hyperlinks. Okay. Let's start coding. So we don't need this. Let's say hyperlinks dot attributes dot add. Let's give it the name of Discord like this. Let's give it type of entity, type entity like this. Let's add another attribute which is for Twitter like this. Let's say Twitter like this. Let's give it the same type of Discord which is type entity. Alright, so let's save it. Let's go back here. Let's pause it. Okay, select entity which is Discord button, Twitter entity which is the Twitter button like this. Now let's start making the logics. So let's say if uh, if this dot Discord like this, let's say this dot Discord dot element dot on, let's say on click like this. Let's give it something like this. Let's say window dot open something is along here. Expected view problem. Alright, so okay, like this. Okay, it's fixed right now. So let's give it the link, which is https discord.com. I think yes, it's the same. Yes, it's the same. So let's say discord.com. Let's save it. Let's pause it again to apply the changes that we made in the code. Let's launch it again. Let's click on the Discord one. So it works. The same thing we are going to do with the Twitter one. So let's say you can use else here like this, else like this, if and etc. like this. But I'm not. I'm going to avoid this to make it like dependently from the Discord one. So let's say if this dot Twitter like this. Let's say this dot Twitter dot element dot on, same thing, click function like this. Okay, so let's say window dot open. Let's give it the link, which is x.com. Okay, like this. Let's Ctrl S to save it. I think yes, we will pause it to apply changes. Let's refresh. Let's start the Twitter one. So it works. Okay, so it works. The same thing if you have like if you have a lot of links to add. You will first thing you will do is to make the buttons here. After that, add a general script which is such as like this. Add attributes here which are an entity. Select the buttons and don't forget to parse it. Every change you made, you need to parse the code like I did. After that, you will go to the hyperlinks prototype initialize, which is a function here, and you will type like this if this dot discard. After that, it's something not like we say, it's not hard to do this. It's easy. The same thing if you have another links, the same code, the same logic, just keep it. And I hope this help you in your project. See you in another video, which will be, I think, which will be Deadshot.io video. Yes, it will be all it will be like a live stream, I don't know. So see you and keep yourself safe and see you next time, yes.